What's going on, guys? Chad here. I'm Marinemax Jupiter. Today we're going to do a walkthrough video on this Boston Whaler 16 Super Sport. This boat's optioned with the platinum hull. We also have a white rub railing. Now meet me inside the boat for the walkthrough video. So now we're inside the 16 Sport. I want to talk about who would enjoy this type of boat. This would be the type of boater where you want to get into boating. Maybe your family members have owned Boston Whalers in the past. You appreciate quality boats. This would be the style of boat for you. It's great for going to the sandbar. You can fish off of this boat. You have plenty of seating. It's a little unique compared to a center console because you get more seating throughout the boat as well. So we're going to get right into it. Now this has the tow arch in the back, so you can do tubing off this boat as well. This is the Mercury 90 horsepower, which is the max horsepower on this boat. You have two platforms in the back here. You could use that as a seat if you're holding on to the tow arch here or the railings in the boat. Moving forward, we have this bimini top. So this is in the resting position on the 16 Sport where it's facing aft. It would be deployed forward, and you can see the clips up here. It would clip to that and be secured. Now, also at the helm here, you have this full beam bench seat, those two cup holders. You can also option for cushions aftermarket for that. Your gas tank is right here underneath this bench seat. You have a little ledge here as well. We can store smaller items. At the console, you have a cup holder. You have your RPM gauge, as well as your nav light control right here and your throttle. It's also optioned with the dash windshield. Opening this up, you see it's a storage compartment. Has a gasket here to help keep water out. Moving forward more, you have a cooler here, which you can also get a cushion on this aftermarket. We can do it here at the dealership. Last 16 Sport had sold. They had that added, as well as the forward cushions you can get up here as well. You have a storage compartment here, which you can just easily pull up. It's secured down by this plastic piece here, and it has a drain in the bottom. You can also use that as an anchor locker. You have your cleat here and a little compartment that comes up from there where you can have your anchor line here, throw off the front, cleat it off, and have the rest of the anchor line in there. You can also keep your life jackets or anything else in there. Your nav lights up in the front of the boat as well. If you want to come see this boat, you can come by Marinemax Jupiter and ask for Chad.